Hi everyone, today we're talking about how you can use Microsoft Teams for employee exit reviews. But before we go ahead and do that, let's talk about what exactly exit reviews are and why you should be conducting them. Exit reviews are formal surveys or interviews conducted with employees who are leaving your organization voluntarily or involuntarily, and their purpose is to provide you with insight into the employee experience in your organization. So, why should you conduct an employee exit review? Well, exit reviews help identify some of the underlying problems and issues in your organization. And once you identify them and fix them, then these reviews will help enhance employee retention rates in your team. And last but not least, employee exit reviews help you leave things on a positive note with the employees leaving your team. So without further ado, let's dive right into Microsoft Teams and talk about how you can use Teamflect to conduct employee exit reviews. So here we are inside Teamflect's reviews module, and I'm using the account of Miriam. She's a manager. And I've selected new review and I'm putting in the review's name. Now, here's the cool thing. You don't have to be a manager to send out an exit review. Teamflect admins can do it as well. And we're selecting the review template. And managers can only view the templates that are available to them. So you won't be crowding their Teamflect account with a whole bunch of templates that they won't be using. So once I've selected the employee exit review, I can select my reviewees. So Adele, Alex, Brady, and Lee, they're all leaving. Let's send them the exit reviews. Let's set the due date for the self-review and the actual review itself, and the due date to finalize. Once I've done that and click create, I'm done. That was pretty easy. Now let's go into the employees account and see what it's like to be filling out an exit review. So I'm inside Adele's account. And look, the review we just sent out has arrived inside Teams chat as an adaptive card. So I'm clicking See Review, and right here is the exit review template with its description. And of course, its status. Now let's scroll down, and as you can see, we have multiple different question types here. And you can add a whole lot more, such as rating questions or Likert scale questions. And as I'm filling these out, I just want to tell you that you can also adjust the visibility settings of those questions, right? There may be occasions where someone may not feel comfortable answering a question knowing that their manager is going to be reading them. So Teamflect admins can make sure that some managers may not be able to see those questions, and you can make those questions invisible to those managers. And let's keep filling out these questions. And once I'm done, I'm clicking submit. Once I've clicked submit, there it is. I finished it. All I need to do is click close review. Now, let's go back inside the manager's account and see what a finished review looks like. We're back inside the manager's account, and I'm going into reviews and reviews about my team. And right here is the review we sent out together. And if I click on it, I can see that 3 of them have been finalized, and 1 of them requires input from the reviewer, me. I'm clicking see review. And right here, I can see all of Adele's answers, at least those that are available to me. And if I scroll down, right here is where I need to respond to Adele about her feedback on diversity and inclusion in my organization. And once I scroll down and go over all the answers, I can click release and finalize. Let's do just that. And once I've done it and click finalize, Teamflect gives me the option to set a one-on-one meeting to discuss the review. And let's do just that. Now, right here, I can see the times in which Adele is available. And I can access this information because Teamflect draws your meeting data directly from Outlook. So you don't need to just look for times in which Adele is available. So let me show you just what Teamflect lets you do with that meeting we just set. I'm clicking the exit review discussion with Adele, that's my meeting, and I'm clicking join. So let's join the meeting and enlarge it. And if I click on apps and select Teamflect, it will fire up Teamflect's meeting agenda that you can access before, after, and as you can see, during ongoing meetings. And right here is my Teamflect meeting agenda that lets me do a whole bunch of things. But right now, I'm clicking Present Adele's latest reviews. And right here is the exit review we just completed. And as we're presenting this review, you should know that this is not a screen sharing session. Everyone is seeing the review from their permission levels. So if there are some questions hidden to me as the manager, I still won't be able to see them in this presentation. but this is just a great tool to go over the review itself and hit some important points of discussion. And let's leave the meeting, and it's done. Last but certainly not least, I want to show you how you can access detailed reports on your exit reviews from inside Teamflect's Admin Center. So here we are inside Teamflect's Admin Center, and under Reports, I'm going into Reviews. And right here, you have analytical information on all the reviews you conduct inside Teamflect, not just your exit reviews. And with this information, you can make educated decisions and create action plans based on concrete data. But that brings us to the end of this use case scenario. We hope you found it helpful. And if you have any questions about Teamflect's reviews or any other module, never hesitate to contact our support staff. We absolutely love hearing from you. Have a great day.
Teamflect. Build teams that deliver.